The purpose of this module is to present the CFDS specific pages relative to the fuel system. The FQIS status allows access to Channel 1 or 2 byte memory. Channel 1 has priority when both channels have the same health. A list is produced each time an FQIS LRU is detected as being currently failed or deemed failed, or at the last FQI power-up test. The last FLSS power-up test result is recorded in the FQI channel, which was the master at that time. The FLSS byte runs automatically 30 seconds after power-up and consists of 4 separate procedures shown on the screen.